Hey, what's up guys? This is Dave from Crux Moto. I'm going to be showing you today how to install our door cup PPF film protector on this 2019 Subaru Forester. This will work on a 2019 and up. The process is pretty much the same for all four doors. On the sheet that you receive in the mail, you're going to have the driver's side rear, driver's side front, passenger side rear, passenger side front marked. So you're going to want to start by cleaning this area pretty thoroughly. You're also going to need a spray bottle with just water in it. And once you have everything, go ahead and peel your material off the backing paper, spray down the adhesive side of it, spray down the door cup. Then you're going to work the material in behind the door handle and get it aligned. Once you have it aligned, if you start in the center, just use your finger to push the water out from behind the material, working your way towards the bottom. Just going in an arc motion, just back and forth. And then once you get down to about a ½ inch at the bottom, you can split that into 2 quarters. Quarters? 2 halves. And work out each side. And once you get the bottom done, you can go ahead and start to work the material up towards the top. Same motion, just back and forth, real slow. Once you get to the top, split that section in half, and then you can work out the 2 corners. So this is the clear PPF film. If you're interested in this product, it's in the video description below. I would recommend probably waiting a couple days to take your car through an automatic car wash, just to give that a little bit of time to dry out there. We also recommend doing this in at least a 60-degree climate, outside air temperature. Just because the colder it is, the more brittle the film will get. So if you have any questions, go ahead and give us a shout. This will take, if you notice at the bottom here, you have a little bit of water still behind the film. It takes a couple days for this to dry out completely. So once it's dried, it's gonna be practically invisible. That'll give your door some protection when you're reaching in there against your fingernails, rings, whatever you got on your hands, from scratching that door cup. So this is a complete set. It's available on our website. If you wanna take a look at it, the link is in the video description below. And if you have any questions, just give us a shout.